Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Goan pork sausage pulao with carrots and capsicum. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have with me 1 medium size finely chopped tomato, 1 medium size finely chopped onion, 1 medium size capsicum which I have cut into small strips, 1 medium size carrot which I have cut into small strips, half teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi powder, 4 green cardamoms, ilaichi, 8 pieces of cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 Maggi cubes. 1 cup of basmati rice. For 1 cup I will be adding 2 cups of water. Local Goan pork sausages, I am using beef sausages 20 pieces. And 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I have pan with me with 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add the onions and the tomatoes. We will saute it till it is nice and translucent. Onion and tomato is done. Now let's add the water. Now we will add all these ingredients. Sausages, and washed rice. Mix it well. We'll cover and cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Our pulao is ready. Now let's plate it up. Our Goan pork sausage pulao with carrots and capsicum is ready. Please do try it at home and let me know how is it. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.